Hey guys, thanks for visiting Joseph Motors YouTube channel. We're going to add another vehicle today. It's going to be a 2015 Chevy 4x4. This thing's got 90,000 miles on it. One owner, clean Carfax unit that we've got. Really nice unit that's straight all the way down, both sides, no dents or dings or anything. It's been fully serviced at our fleet repair center. It's got a nice tire package on it, Bridgestones that are on the vehicle now. Johnny's going to go over a couple quick highlights on the unit. This is going to be a flex fuel unit, spray-in bed liner. It's got the Silverado bed caps on top of it, tow package in the rear here. It's got the real nice side steps on it. I got the tow package and the side steps and stuff. Go around to the front of the vehicle here. We look on the interior. It's going to have power windows, power locks, trailer brake trim. Just a really nice unit. It's very clean on the inside. So again, if you got any questions on this unit, I'm Nick Watson with Joseph Motors, and we'd love to hear from you. You can dial us at 919-661-2886. Or we can go to the website and view this, of course, and you already know where that's at because you're on YouTube. So, but it's at josephmotorsnc.com. And I'm Nick, the truck man. We'd love to hear from you guys. Give me a call, 919-661-2886. Thank you. Have a good day.